The community of Old Harbour now has access to one of the most advanced portable ultrasound machines in the country, thanks to a new public-private partnership. The Wisonic Clover portable ultrasound machine was unveiled last Friday at 6 West Medical, a facility owned and operated by Dr. Jacqueline Campbell. The cutting-edge equipment is expected to significantly improve diagnostic services and save critical time for patients. Deemed a game-changer in the medical industry, the full-function hand-carried machine provides best-in-class image quality. Its advanced technology can handle up to 5,000 frames per second, which significantly increases diagnostic accuracy. The machine's ultra-wide steer angle also allows it to auto-locate and match vessel angle and blood flow in real time. The unveiling was made possible through a partnership between the Medical X-ray Institute and the Development Bank of Jamaica, DBJ. The DBJ financed the project under its Boosting Innovation, Growth and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem BIGEE program, which is funded by the Government of Jamaica with support from the Inter-American Development Bank and the European Union. Old Harbour is the third community to benefit from this medical outreach, following similar installations in Mandeville and Albion, St. Thomas. Lushana Chedasing, technical coordinator of the DBJ's BIGEE program, called the unveiling a milestone for Old Harbour.
We launched the BIGEE program in September of 2020, and it has to date made significant impact on our local ecosystem. To date, we have disbursed over $10 million to more than 1,400 Jamaican SMEs, playing a vital role in our economy. These funds have been strategically invested to spark innovation and fuel entrepreneurial growth, as we have witnessed here today. It is therefore a distinct privilege to stand before you today as we unveil later on the state-of-the-art ultrasound machine, which is a milestone in this community. This is our commitment at DBJ to advance healthcare in Jamaica. This technology represents more than just an upgrade. More than just an upgrade in medical equipment, it signifies improved diagnostics, better patient outcomes, and a step towards a healthier community. Ladies and gentlemen, this is impact. This is ensuring that all Jamaicans, regardless of where they are, whether in country or in town, they have access to state-of-the-art healthcare. And this, ladies and gentlemen, I believe is worthy of applause.
Dr. Campbell welcomed the machine as a vital addition to her practice, highlighting its capability to perform echocardiograms, ECGs, which are ultrasounds of the heart.
Now, the addition of ultrasound facilities will facilitate the diagnostic facilities available to Old Harbour. Old Harbour's rapidly increasing population. The machine, so many persons thinking of ultrasound, they're thinking about imaging, they're thinking pelvic ultrasound, abdomen and so on. But this particular machine, what is particularly fascinating for me is the fact that it is also able to perform echocardiograms. So echocardiogram is really an ultrasound of the heart. It's looking at the structure and the function of the heart. If we look at what is happening worldwide and in Jamaica, heart disease is actually the #1 killer of persons. Many persons whose ECGs I do in the office, the ECGs are abnormal. They have to do echocardiograms. So they would have to travel outside of Old Harbour to have that service done. So we now have it available here. It is my hope that the partnership between Medical X-ray Institute Limited and the 6 West Medical will be successful, as together we enhance the medical services available to the people of Old Harbour and its environs. Thanks to Mrs. Turner and her team, Thanks also to the staff at Six West Medical, Miss Jonas, Miss Walker, and Miss Robinson.
Custos of St. Catherine and Old Harbour native Iselin Golden also hailed the installation.
Our little town of Old Harbour and its environs. Today marks a transformative moment in the life of our little town. So it is with deep gratitude that this new facility is so thoughtfully placed, and which shows progress for a community that has long been underserved. Those people who live in Old Harbour, let me hear you acknowledge that, Ramon. It is true, we are underserved. This facility, I'm sure, stands as a powerful symbol of what's possible when dedication meets vision, when concern for the wellness of every person is put into action, and when diagnostic services of this sort will no longer be out of reach for the citizens of this community and in its environment. It is right here, right in the hub of Old Harbour. I don't know if you understand that our little town here is a real hub. It's right in the middle of several communities where the citizens have to traverse here daily, minutely. And we here in Old Harbour welcome the idea to have this new facility so that it will lessen our traversing to Kingston, to all over Mandeville, all over seeking this service. So this is an awesome initiative. So we want to thank you. We want to commend all health.
Ravi Rambaran, chairman of the Medical X-ray Institute, provided a sobering context for the machine's importance. He shared data showing that non-communicable diseases (NCDs) are responsible for 80% of deaths and a significant number of disabilities in Jamaica. This, he noted, directly impacts the country's average life expectancy of 72 years and the average healthy life expectancy of just 62 years, underscoring the critical need for advanced diagnostic tools like the Wisonic Clover in local communities.
Numbers define the current state of healthcare in Jamaica. They are not statistics we should be proud of. They are statistics that we have to improve because they affect the quantity, quality of human life in Jamaica.